Hey, Mr. All Night Long. So this is a poem to a girl. You're the sun that shines bright through my day. You're the gravity that holds me down in every way. You are the moon that shimmers through my night. You are the stars that glimmer oh so bright. I promise to always lift you up when you're feeling down. I promise to wipe your tears when you feel you need to cry. I promise to keep you smiling, to show off that beautiful smile. I promise to be your strength when you're weak. I promise to be your voice when you cannot speak. I promise to be your eyes when you cannot see. Baby, I promise to be your ears when you cannot hear. I promise all of these things because all of them is real. I promise to tell you the truth when you want to hear the truth. I promise to never tell you a lie or sell you a dream. I promise to chase away your every dream when you want to hear the truth. I promise to be your dream catcher. I promise to chase away your every fear. I promise to make you smile when you frown. I promise to always cheer you up when you down. I promise to give you faith when you're insecure. I promise to keep you sturdy when you feel unsafe. I promise to listen when you talk and never tell you no lies, just what is true. I promise to lend you my shoulder when you need to cry. I promise to hold you when you need someone to behold. I promise to care for you wherever you are. I promise to never hurt you or never break your heart. I can't promise you the world. I can't promise you the sky. I can't promise you that we ain't gonna never fight. But what I can promise you is that I will always tell you the truth, baby, no matter what it is. I will always love you more than anything in this world. I promise that I will always be true to you and myself. And baby, I promise that I will always love you more than anything in my heart, no matter what we go through. Baby, I promise that I'll love you to the end. You'll always be my guardian angel. I'm making this promise to me and you. So why would they say it ain't so?